Hello children, today we will discuss the chapter How does a computer work? Before starting this chapter, we should know that a computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures and instruction into the computer to make it work. These are called data. That means letters, numbers, pictures and instructions are called data. Different parts of a computer do different tasks. For example, CPU is used for processing, keyboard is used for typing letters, numbers and special symbols. Now, what are the basic steps of computer system on which it works? The basic step of computer system is input, process and output. Before explaining these basic steps for computer system, firstly I will explain you some real life example. Suppose children, you have one blunt pencil and you want the sharp pencil. You will take your blunt pencil, this is input, then you will put your blunt pencil in the sharpener for sharpening. So sharpening is the process and then you will get the sharp pencil. So this sharp pencil is output. I will explain you one more example of input, process, output. Suppose children, you have dirty clothes and you want the clean clothes. So dirty clothes are input. When you will put these dirty clothes in washing machine, this is process, and when you will get the clean clothes, it is output. Now, let us understand these steps by taking an example of our body. Children, suppose when a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears and see with our eyes. The ears and eyes are input unit. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says. Then it thinks of an answer in order us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, it works like an output unit. So here, ear and eye are input, brain is for processing and our mouth is for output. Ear and eyes are input unit, brain works like a processing unit and mouth works like an output unit. Now one by one we will discuss input, process, output in reference to the computer system. Now input, the data and instruction that we enter into a computer are called input. We input data using a keyboard and mouse. Now I am going to show you the picture of keyboard and mouse. Second one is processing. Working of data is called processing. The CPU works on data and does all the thinking and calculations. This is the picture of CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. The last one of IPO cycle is output. The last one of IPO cycle is output. Output means final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. This is a picture of monitor. So children, at last we can say that computer works on IPO cycle, and this IPO stands for input, process, output. Now, let us understand the working of a computer with an mathematical example. Suppose children, you want to add two numbers. For adding two numbers, what will be the input? 2, 5 and plus sign. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 2 and 5 are the data and plus is the instruction. What is process? 2 plus 5 is process. Now the CPU will works on data according to instruction, that is it will add numbers 2 and 5. Now what is output? 7. 7 is the correct result or output of the sum 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. So this is the way by which IPO works for computer. Input, process, output works for computer. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. And yes, of course, don't forget to comment. Thank you so much.